Most people panic the moment their Giraffe account gets banned. They assume it is permanent, or that they did something seriously wrong, without knowing what it was. But here's the truth no one tells you. Most Giraffe bans happen because of system flags, policy violations, or suspicious activity patterns that can sometimes be reviewed or reversed, depending on the case. In this video, I'll break down why Giraffe accounts get banned in 2026, what you can actually do to fix it, and how to avoid making it worse. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to understand why bans happen in the first place. Giraffe, like many reward apps, uses automated systems to detect unusual behavior. This includes things like using multiple accounts, inconsistent device activity, or violating app rules. This is where most people fail. They don't read the rules before using the app aggressively. For example, Jay creates multiple accounts on different devices to try and earn faster. The system detects this and flags his accounts. Alex, on the other hand, uses one account consistently and follows normal gameplay patterns. He avoids triggering any security alerts. That difference is critical. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not all bans are permanent. Some accounts are temporarily restricted while the system reviews activity. In some cases, you may still have a chance to recover access if you act correctly. But here's the problem. Most users make things worse by creating new accounts immediately after a ban. That can trigger deeper detection systems and reduce the chance of recovery. In a minute, I'll show you the safest way to try and fix a banned Giraffe account. Before that, check if you received any in-app notification or email explaining the restriction. Sometimes the app provides a reason or next step, and ignoring it slows down the process. Now here's the correct approach. Open the app or support section and submit a request to Giraffe support. Explain your situation clearly, include your account email, and avoid aggressive language. Keep it simple and factual. Then wait for a response from the support team. In some cases, they may ask for verification or clarification before making a decision. Patience matters here because multiple repeated requests can delay review. Let's quickly recap. Giraffe bans usually come from policy violations or system flags. Not all bans are permanent. Avoid creating multiple accounts. Check notifications for details. Contact support with clear information. And wait for official review instead of guessing. If you follow these steps in 2026, you give yourself the best possible chance of recovering your Giraffe account, or understanding exactly why it was restricted. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app troubleshooting videos, and comment if your account has ever been banned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.